What if the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 isn't just another rumor anymore? Because this time, it wasn't a render or a factory leak. It was spotted in the wild, powered on, in a real store, and captured on video. And if this leak is real, the official launch might be just around the corner. Here's what happened. A customer reportedly walked into an authorized DJI store in Kuala Lumpur holding the new Pocket 4. Store staff quickly recorded a short clip and posted it online, but the video was deleted soon after. And when leaks disappear that fast, it usually means one thing: the product is very close to launch. This is the first real-world sighting outside early rumor circles, and it gives us a much clearer picture of what's coming. From the footage, the classic Pocket design is still here, compact, lightweight, and built for one-handed shooting. The 3-axis gimbal stabilization looks as smooth as ever, delivering that signature cinematic glide the Pocket series is known for. We also see the familiar 2-inch flip-out OLED screen, physical joystick, and quick access buttons, keeping the fast, run-and-gun workflow creators love. But the biggest surprise? A built-in front-facing LED light, fully integrated into the body. For years, creators have attached clip-on lights, adding bulk and extra setup time. Now, the light is always there, ready for night vlogs, indoor shots, restaurants, or dim hotel rooms. It's a small change on paper, but for travel vloggers and daily creators, this could be a game-changing convenience. Now let's talk video. Based on earlier retail listings, the standard Pocket the 4th of May stick with 4K resolution, but push much higher frame rates, possibly up to 240 frames per second. Instead of chasing 6K numbers, DJI seems focused on practical upgrades like smoother slow motion and better real-world flexibility. Most creators deliver in 4K anyway, so higher frame rates might actually be the smarter move. Battery capacity is also expected to increase, potentially allowing over 200 minutes of recording time. That's a major improvement for long travel days or event coverage. The camera is still rumored to use a 1-inch sensor, possibly enhanced for better low-light performance. Add Wi-Fi 6 for faster file transfers and a brighter OLED display for outdoor use, and this looks like a polished evolution rather than a full redesign. When you combine the real store sighting with earlier shipping leaks pointing to March 2026, it really feels like we're in the final countdown. Autofocus looked fast, AI tracking appeared responsive, stabilization remains top tier, and the built-in LED makes the device more self-contained than ever. This doesn't feel like an experiment, it feels like a refined upgrade to a formula that already works. So here's the big question: is the built-in LED and longer battery enough to make you upgrade from the Pocket 3? Or are you waiting for a future Pro version? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you want the latest tech leaks, camera news, and early hands-on insights, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. I'll see you in the next one.